I bet you didn't know that the gadgets you love wouldn't work without transformers. Let's dive into how they do their magic. Picture this. Electricity is like water flowing through a pipe, but sometimes we need to change the water flow to fit different pipes. That's where transformers come in. Transformers are like magic boxes that adjust the flow of electricity. They can step up the voltage to send power long distances or step it down to make it safe for your gadgets. Inside, they have coils of wire wrapped around a core. When electricity flows through the first coil, it creates a magnetic field, which then induces a voltage in the second coil. Think of it like passing a note in class. The message is the same, but the note's size changes. This simple principle keeps our world connected and our devices running smoothly. And there you have it. Transformers, the unsung heroes of our electrical world. Now you know their secret.